Hey, I just wanna shoot a short video how you can leverage with the Power Lead system. It's a Vasion tool to expose your business. It's a complete marketing platform with complete sales funnels. You can complete unlimited sales funnels. You have training. You have the opportunity to become an affiliate and make 100% commission. And on top of that, it comes with a twist, so you can achieve a 50% matching bonus on all of your entire sales on your pay line, unlimited. I can show you how it works. Here you have the get started sections. You have a quick start guide. You have a getting started video. You have a website section, basics, and you have here if you need some help. And here you can see how to step 1 become an affiliate, step 2 set up with your own domain, 3 add your own picture, and the finally like a finale, I think, step 4, the premium package coming soon, and this will take the Power Lead system to the next level. You have the opportunity to earn bigger commissions with this, and this is really awesome, and I'm looking forward to this to come. But as you can see, you have some videos, you have some guides, so you are really not alone with this. You have really great training and startup guides. So we can go to the capture lead sections, lead capture pages you created. You can see the different kind of leads capture pages you can create. Let me zoom in. Here you can see you can make this one. Here you can add your own background image, and then you have a perfect lead capture page, and a dynamic video lead capture page where you put your own video or what kind of thing you want to do here. Easy video capture page is the same thing, and then the flexible capture page. This is a great thing because with this let me show you. You can see you can put all the things you want, and the great thing about this, you can offer a freebie to your prospects and to your. So this is a great thing, I think. Let me show how it works. Here we have the area. You can type your name for your lead capture page, and different kind of boxes you can put in what your last name, cell phone, and you name it. All the steps. And yeah, you can set up with a auto-respond campaign, and that's a great thing because this is done for you. There you can see all the different kind of campaigns. Then you choose one to campaign for, and here you can choose a domain. You can choose a different kind of domain if you already have one. The system can, in the system you can purchase a domain for your capture pages and sales pages. And here you can promote every kind of business you have. This area, a page in your website. Sorry. You can set in what you will, if you want, what you want to become, what site you want to when they visit you, and fill in the email and name. Then the site they will visit after that. Then you can choose every kind of page you want here. And here is a very good thing. You can set up a freebie. Then when they sign up, they get a free bonus. So that's a great thing to offer to capture your leads. So that's the U creation area, and then you can choose the lead capture page recreated. That's the capture page the Power Lead System created. And here you can see set up with your domain. And I want to attract someone to become a prospect or become a free lead system forever. Let's type in that, and here you can see the different kind of lead capture pages. You choose whatever you want. Power Lead System capture pages. This is for if you are affiliate with the Power Lead System, then these four will be a great choice. If you promoting a primary company, then there's a lot of choice and very great capture pages, as you can see. And after you visit join your email list, then you have some choices to bypass lead capture pages. Sales pages, they will have the opportunity to sign up. This will come after the lead capture page. So you have a very, very, very great choices and opportunities with this system. Capture leads, and here you can see how you can send campaigns, add campaigns, direct campaign, email forwarding, and statistics. You have the opportunity to record voice messages, and to your list you have opportunity to send virtual postcards. it's a great thing because you can personalize it, and e-cards you can send to, and websites, as you can manage websites, as your domains, view all domains. You can buy a domain. That's a great, only $11 I think, and the great thing with this is you have unlimited choices with your subdomains. So you can make unlimited sites with the domain. And create lead capture pages is the sector we have shown you. Create sales page. You can create a sales page of your choice. You can see. It's a great opportunities here. And that picture with your Biro, you have the opportunity to connect your Aweber if you want that, because what you have a great funnel already with the Power Lead system, and you can see site statistics. So you can see how much traffic you have to your sites and how many, and you have the opportunity to specify it, and you can see how it's been tracked, where your leads come from, so where your visitors come from, and that's a great thing. So it comes with a tracking system too. So many great features with the Power Lead system. I'm just going to go out of this. Down. I can see websites we have shown you. Promote your own if you have your primary business. There's many great tools you can use here. You have text links, banners, and a lot of researches here to choice. So you have a really good features here. Contact manager. This is your manager where you can see your uplands, your leads. Oh, sorry. Try again. Yeah. There you can see your leads. You can follow your leads. So you can add contacts one at a time, a list. There's the training sector. That's a great thing. And you will be taken to another page. Our training site is located in a different password, but it's a great thing because you really have all the guides and video training in this area. You have marketing help, you have system videos to guide you through all the steps in the Power Lead system. You can see model 1 to 10 system videos, yes, and this is a great thing. So you really have a lot of training sections. And if you become affiliate with the Power Lead system, you have the opportunity to have a very great tool and system. You get this Mark Steingard's Endless Free Leads 8.0 strategies and scripts to make sales every day around the world, and This system is $2.99 system, and you'll get this for free when you become an affiliate. So this is great. You have all the great training with Max Steingar's system here. So that's a great bonus, I think, to come with the Powerlead system when you buy the system. Oh, I forgot to choose. You can another great features is the new system. Sorry, I'm going to go in again. You have the free lead system forever, the perfect blueprint to give to your prospects. This is awesome. I think you can give something for free. You give them a complete done for you campaign and a funnel to create leads. And the good thing about this is
how to get a never-ending flow of free leads for life. This free lead system is amazing, and it was created to help anyone who's looking for new and exciting ways to explode their business. And it comes with everything you need to start generating a flood of red-hot leads immediately. This will allow you to dominate any company you choose and be among the top enrollers. There's no catch, nothing to buy. This really is a 100% free system. And all you have to do to get it is just enter your name and email right over there, and then click on the button that says Get My System. Go ahead, claim your free system right now, and then receive one of the greatest lead generating tools ever created.
As you see, it's a great tool to capture leads for your list. So another great tool with the Powerlead system. And we are going back. I think we are there. So this system is a awesome tool. It's an awesome business too. You have great opportunities with this. So I think you should join this. So join with the link below, and let's get you started. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Jesper here. Bye.